get supper.
Breakfast?
Yeah. And Jeremy doesn't even know we're gonna go get it. I think the hard ones are sour. Do you think?
Yeah, the hard ones are more sour. Do you like the hard ones better or the soft ones?
The soft ones. The hard ones, check it, they're not hard.
That one was soft.
That one was soft, so it's fine.
The hard ones are better, bye. I look for the hard ones.
Oh my god, this tastes so good.
It's like 12 o'clock at night, eh?
But we can still eat the grapes, alright. We can play Roblox, and that how fun we can have.
What?
That how fun, and we can have pizza for supper tomorrow. I saved the last for you.
Did you? Tell me a joke, bye. Do you have any jokes up your sleeve?
No, I don't have any jokes. I don't want a joke right now.
Why?
Fine.
Tell me one joke. I know a joke.
But look at the freaking water, bye. Look at it in there.
You're tired, aren't you?
Don't let that tip over because that's the only grapes left.
We have more grapes downstairs.
Yeah, we're fine.
Yeah.
If Josh eats some, and then we buy more.
Yep.
Let's freaking eat more grapes.
Cheers me.
There's only 3 grapes left.
Oh.
Not. But you take 2 and I take 1.
Aw. Thanks, Hayden. You share. Tell me a joke, bye.
No. I want to play Roblox. You want to play Princess Roblox? You want to play Elsa games? She's a girl. We play princess games all day. Do you?
Do you want to?
Yeah, let's play Elsa's game. This free out by.
Where's your
I was
iPad?
almost going to say like a bad word, but then
What was going to be the bad word?
like fuck something. I was actually almost gonna say that.
Why were you going to say it?
I was almost gonna say it, but then I actually didn't though. I just changed my mind even though
Good job.
I didn't say that. So Mom, where's my tablet?
I don't know. You had it before you came downstairs soaking.
Oh. And so it's time. It just went right there.
That's funny, bud.
Mom, let's play Roblox.
What percent is it at?
What's that? 4. You gotta put on the charger quick. Because it's only at 4.
Okay.
It's only at 4. It doesn't have a white label on it.
Here.
6.
Okay, let's
Is
play.
it charged in?
You gotta plug it in, bye.
Oh.
Okay, let's play princess games then. Is that your favorite kind of game on Roblox?
Yes, it's a favorite game ever. I like Elsa.
Yeah.
Oh, let's just say Elsa instead. Let's just say Elsa, Mom.
What?
Are you kidding me?
I'm taking a video.
Mom, friggin' just go on Roblox.
Okay, say goodbye then.
Well, goodbye.